Gold prices bounce back sharp from the day's lows at 33.02. We have seen it hitting the highs now at 33, 36, 37, while silver is also moved upwards now close to the yesterday's highs at 36.85. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Are we looking forward to a round of rise here? Or the highs are done and we should be ready with the sells here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical reasoning behind every level. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now what's happening on gold on the early charts? You can see after this drop it has been trading under this retracement channel, and see the beauty of the retracement channel, higher lows and higher highs. Where are the highs for this channel? Around 33.50 levels, but for that it has to break past first 33.40.42, and then the target should be at around 33.50. Beyond 33.50 we should look forward to a good rise, and then too I will say it is very important for gold to break past 33.60 to 64 zone, and if that is done then you can say it is turning bullish. Else right now it is trying to retrace after the drop and not yet confirming a reversal. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over though. Stochastic, if you see, it has entered into overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over for a buy and is trading bullish. The signs are bullish here on MACD. The stochastic is though trading overbought. The RSI is also looking upward, which is a slight bullish sign. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, what is happening? Double bottoming is seen, and post double bottom, what should happen? It appears that it might move towards double top here. But for this to happen, we have to wait for it to stay beyond 33.40.42, and that will confirm the further rise towards 33.50 and then towards 33.62.64. If that is taken, then you can say that the bulls are back. Right now the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, and we can see a slight struggle here around the 20 and 50 period moving averages. The stochastic rising, it is back to overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over, it is trading with divergence and bullishness, and the RSI is rising. So signs are still supportive for further bullishness. On the 3-hour, similar observation is seen on the 3-hour charts. Drop, retracement, drop, higher lows, higher highs, and once it trades beyond 33.40.42, expect it to move towards 33.50, and if that is taken, then you can expect higher highs. Else, as long as now 33.40.42 is not taken, the possibility of reversal cannot be denied. Yes, after the drop here, see the one bullish candle, the second one is quite smaller here. The body size is quite small, suggests that bulls are not very much interested here in further rise. But now if it stays beyond 33.40.42, you can expect that we are going to see another round of rise here. Moving averages right now is on the sell side. Stochastic overbought. See, MACD after hitting the bottom has crossed over and is trading with moderate bullishness here, while the RSI running flat. On the 4-hour, similar observation is here on the 4-hour charts. Drop, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. Very important for gold to breach beyond 36.40.42 and then 33.40.42 and then 33.50.52 zone. That will confirm the next round of rise. Moving averages here also have crossed over, but I will say wait, because we have hardly seen any divergence here. These are almost flat. So let's wait. This can again reverse. Stochastic rising. The MACD after delivering the bearish wave is now crossing over for buy. Current candle will be important, because see, if the with the current candle, if you see the price is reversing, because this is possible, I'll say again this will cross over on the sell side and then the bears will take over. RSI staying flat. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, another point to note here is you can see the drop here. The drop here, price is taking the support from the 20 period and bouncing back. Now I am worried that should not be the other case, that it has taken the support and it is trying to bounce back, because see, first attempt, second attempt, and this is the third attempt where the prices can move towards the highs. The highs now stays above 3400 levels, and hence this becomes the caution zone for us, and the candle today is going to be pretty important. See what it has done, higher lows are seen, so higher highs means it can potentially move towards 3350, and at that point we should see how it behaves, because beyond this potentially we might look forward to a stronger rise. The moving averages here on the daily charts are running parallel and are still bullish here. The stochastic at bottom trying to recover. The MACD almost flat here. It is crossed over for sell, but moderate bearishness is seen. The RSI is flat. So now see how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrived at the levels. And if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, for your queries, you should reach out to me. Once you have your trades in place, it is important to have a safer place to trade. The trusted partner which can offer you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Now see, the buying entry now is limited at around 33.42, where you can expect 33.48.52 as the first target zone, 33.60.64 as the next. Once it trades beyond 33.64, gold might deliver another round of rise, taking it all the way towards 33.76, then 33.88, and in fact 34.04 levels. I do not expect such a stronger rise, but a little retracement is possible. On the downside now, I will recommend a selling entry at 33.28 levels. Beyond 33.28, you can expect 33.20 as the first target zone, 33.08 as the next, and then 3300. If at all gold decides to trade below 3300, stay with the cells. Stay with the cells for 32.88.90 and then 32.80 levels, 32.76.78 levels rather. Below 32.76.78, stay short for 32.60 and 32.50 levels. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the early charts, see every rise offsets with a retracement, and this is no other exception. Here also beautifully it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. Now it has come towards yesterday's high, and now I'll definitely watch out for how it behaves at 36.85 $37 zone, because a move beyond 37 is a clear sign of further bullishness in silver prices. Then what should we aim for? The targets are going to be towards 37.30 and then 37.80 $38 zone. 37.80 38 is a critical resistance zone for silver here. Moving averages are bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD after a bit of retracement again willing to cross over for a buy. And the RSI is showing a bit of rise. On the 2 hour, the observation is more or less same. See how beautifully 20 period has offered it a very good support, and with that as support it is trying to rise. But the other way to look at it is lower highs, lower lows. It might try to create a flag here. Thus, it is pretty important for silver to now trade below 36.40, 36.20 zone, and if you see it is staying below 36.40, 36.20, you can expect 36 and 35.80. Now, this is the critical support. A drop below 35.80 is a clear sign of a correction in silver prices. Else, it is still staying bullish, looking upwards. Moving averages are bullish. Stochastic is rising. Only thing is the MACD, which is crossed over on a sell, and it is trading bearish. RSI is at the top here. And when you see the 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation, rise, retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. It has come down towards the top here. And now if you see it is staying beyond 37, that's another buying entry for us, because beyond 37, certainly more bullishness should prevail. Moving averages are definitely bullish. The stochastic is rising. The thing here is the MACD, which is right now on the sells. And yes, it is crossed over at the top and it is right now trading bearish. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, again back to overbought levels. On the 4 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. On the 4 hour charts, a bit of retracement, first bullish candle. The current candle, if it delivers a breakout, might deliver a stronger bullish move here. 37, once it breaches, we can expect 37.20, 37.30 zone, the next target zone here. Stochastic is again rising while the MACD has crossed over at the top, and it is suggestive of moderate bearishness, while the RSI is still overbought. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, notice today silver has created a bigger tail, and also we have seen higher lows and higher highs here since last few sessions. Now this is pretty important for silver to trade below 35.80. As long as 35.80 is not taken, we should be very careful with the sells here. Yes, prices might bounce back, and that is what has happened. Now today, remember, the move is going to be outside Bollinger Bands. It is going to put pressure on the bands to expand strong here. Yes, it is already trading with expansion. You can see a vertical or exponential expansion here. Moving averages are also looking upwards. Yes, this is a breakout in silver. and hence it is continuing here, and there is a possibility of further continuation here. Now today's candle is going to be pretty important because a move beyond 37 and 37.20, 37.30 should take it all the way towards 37.80 and $38 levels. Look at the stochastic. This is strongly overbought. The MACD is strongly bullish. The RSI is overbought. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying beyond 36.90, $37 zone. If you see it is staying above this, you can expect 37.20, 37.30 as the first target zone. And then I will look forward to 37.80, $38 zone as the next targets. Beyond which 38.40 should appear, and then beyond 38.40. Sky is the limit on the upside. I do not expect this to happen today. That is 38.40. Yes, I do not expect this. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 36.50 levels. Expect 36.20 as the first target zone, 35.80 as the next. If at all silver decides to trade below 35.80, stay short for 35.40 and $35 levels. Below 35 is where the crash should begin, else it is still staying bullish. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.